Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have some exciting news from Huawei. They've just released the very first teaser for their upcoming Pura 80 series. And even though they haven't shown us the full phone yet, this teaser gives us a pretty good idea of what to expect, especially when it comes to the camera. Let's get into it. So, what did Huawei show us? In the teaser image, the focus is clearly on the phone's camera module. And it looks like Huawei is making this the star of the show. From what we can see, there are two big camera lenses surrounded by a golden ring, placed near the edge of a curved camera bump. This camera design looks bold and premium, something you'd expect from a high-end smartphone. Now, why is this important? Well, if you remember, Huawei once made one of the best camera phones ever with the P40 Pro Plus. That phone was the first in the world to use two telephoto lenses, one for 3x zoom and another for 10x periscope zoom. It let you zoom in really far without losing image quality, and the pictures stayed sharp and clear even at high zoom levels. Looks like Huawei is planning to bring that powerful zoom system back with the Pura 80 series, especially in the top models like the Pura 80 Pro Plus and Pura 80 Ultra. Based on rumors and leaks, these models could feature a dual-periscope camera setup, which hasn't been done since the P40 Pro Plus launched 5 years ago. It's exciting to see Huawei going back to this impressive camera technology. But that's not all. Huawei is also expected to improve the other cameras too. Leaks suggest that the Ultra model could come with a Logic-based main sensor, which would be the biggest periscope lens Huawei has ever used, measuring around 1.3 inches. Meanwhile, the Pro Plus might switch to a new SmartSense 50-megapixel main camera instead of the Sony IMX989 sensor used in past models. Even though we don't know the exact specs for the regular Pura 80, it will likely keep a solid camera system and get better AI photography features. That means smarter scene detection, improved image processing, and better zoom, giving users a smoother and smarter photography experience, no matter which model they choose. Now, let's talk about the design. Based on live images that have leaked online, the camera bump curves to one side of the phone, which makes it look very unique and modern. The golden rings around the two big camera lenses add a touch of elegance and make it clear that Huawei wants this phone to stand out. Huawei is also putting a big focus on AI-powered photography. The company's advanced AI technology will help improve photo clarity, balance light and dark areas better, and make low-light photos much clearer. The AI will work together with the powerful new camera hardware, so everyday photos should look better, even for people who aren't photography experts. The official launch event for the Huawei Pura 80 series is happening on June 11th. It's going to be a big event where Huawei will finally reveal the full design, specs, and pricing for these phones. Until then, the teaser has already created a lot of excitement, especially for people who love the P40 Pro Plus and its incredible zoom camera. To sum it up, the Huawei Pura 80 series looks like it's going to be a strong option for anyone who loves smartphone photography. The dual-periscope camera setup, upgraded main sensors, beautiful design, and smart AI features make this phone lineup one to watch. The Ultra and Pro Plus models are expected to offer top-tier performance for serious photographers, while the regular, Pura 80 will still pack solid imaging power for everyday users. That's all for today's video. What do you think about the Huawei Pura 80 series so far? Are you excited to see dual periscope zoom make a comeback? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget, if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you won't miss any updates on the latest smartphones and tech news. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.